A few days ago, I did a midway through the J Baum Tobacco Company project. Well, I just finished up on it, and they're sitting right here, and I'll give you a closer look at it right there. And I have it sitting next to J. Matthias Limited Plywoods. I'm going to show you a little bit about what I did since then with installing the windows and doing a little bit of weathering. And I also started on the next project, which you can see right here. And at the very end, I'll show you a little bit of intro to it, just a real short thing of what it will look like and what's the name of all the businesses in there, because there's a multitude of businesses in there. And so learn something from this. I sure as hell did, and I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to watch Workbench Wednesday at 8 p.m. where you will see me working on the new building. It's called Center Stage. So enjoy. I'll be building the windows one at a time with 4 pieces: the main frame, the bottom frame, the outside frame, and then the window sill, and then 2 of the glass you put on. This is all peel and stick right here. I'm going to build all 5 of them together, glue everything in, and then glue the windowsill on the bottom, and then these things on top go above the windows. This is the last window, and I'll show you how to do it. I just cut out all the pieces. Let's get this one, the window seal. We'll push this one off to the side for right now. These peel and stick windows go in the same as the plastic windows. I just dab a little bit of glue in the opening. We're going to do 3 sides on these because the windowsill goes on the bottom, and we'll hit that later. and I'll do the rest of them off camera. And while in my spare time, I built this up, so this goes right here. I'll be gluing that in there in a minute as soon as I get all these windows done. Did a little bit of weathering on the walls. It came out a little bit better on the wood than it did on the brick. I went over it with dry brushed it with titanium white on the roof and on the walls here. You can't really notice it on the brick because you know, the bricks are just, the white is inside on the mortar joints. I dry brushed wrought iron and white on the roof, and that's khaki. That's that I used on the other model. Put it along the perimeter also on these two roofs right here. So same thing here, white and wrought iron. Both of them are folk art. Let me see. Yep. Titanium white and wrought iron. Both are folk art. So there you go. For right now, I'm going to leave the two sections unglued. So if I ever want to put lighting up in here, I could do that. You know, so there's a big hole there. So that'll make life a lot easier. I'm going to put the chimneys on and the sidewalks after I finish all the other buildings, like I did the first building. The plywood, I did not put the chimneys on there. In fact, I don't even think I even weathered the plywood one, but at least I got this one weathered a little bit. Once I get the chimneys on and the sidewalks finished, I'll weather it a little bit further. But this is going to go up here with J. Matthias. Let me get Matthias right here. Here's Matthias, and this is going to be sitting right next to it for right now. The next portion of this kit is called Center Stage, and it is actually AAA Cole, Bessie's Hauling, OK Used Cars, Baron von Klontz, and Admiral Television. It's this little building right here and two background buildings right here that has a multitude of businesses in there. You'll see what I do on Workbench Wednesday at 8 p.m. So enjoy.